there, Jen Roque here at stampcampwithjen.com. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Summerfield, Florida, and welcome to week 5 of my organization series. If you're new, welcome, and please make sure to check out the other 4 weeks of organization tips that I've already posted. Every Friday in February and March of 2022, I have a new organization tip to share with you, and week 8, the final week, will be my craft room tour and a giveaway. So be sure to follow me every week for tips, and don't miss that craft room tour and giveaway at the very end, okay? So this week we're talking about how to store Stampin' Blocks. And like I tell you every week, everybody's different. You have your own storage solutions. I'm just sharing what works best for me, okay? So this week I have these awesome bins that I recently found. They're actually, I think, like makeup or pantry organization bins from the company OXO. OXO, I use a lot of their kitchen tools. I think they're a great company, and I just happened to stumble upon these little bins when I was at Bed Bath & Beyond a couple months ago, and I just love them. I've used them a lot in my craft room, actually, not just for storing my blocks. I use them for other things as well, which you'll see during the craft show or the craft room tour, okay? So, but for these, they fit perfectly in my little IKEA drawers that I have, and they're just fantastic. So the big thing that I really like about these is that they're adjustable. You can pull these little dividers out, and you'll kind of see there's these little ridges. That's where you line up the little divider to put it exactly where you need it for your spacing needs, okay? And I just thought that was such a cool thing because, you know, a lot of divided bins, they come with the plastic where it's just like molded to the side and you can't move them. So I thought that was really cool that you could move these and make them all different sizes. So I have my bigger blocks in this section, and then I just moved a little bin. This is what, a size F, the biggest one. And then I put my I, these are size I blocks, right on top of it, because honestly I don't use that F very much. So I put my I's on the top, and then this is an E right next to it. And then I had this little section over here, and that's where I keep my little Stampin' Blocks. This is an A, a little tiny A. And then I have a few, this is a G, which is good for like little sentiments and stuff. So that's what I have there. And then this narrow one is where I store all my other blocks. So I have B, C, and I think this is D. So, and that's just perfect for me. I just love it. And if you go to stampcampwithjen.com, the picture, the main picture on the blog post is what it looks like in my IKEA Alex drawer, at the very top drawer that I use. But again, I will make sure to go into detail during my craft room tour as well. So, and I will have a picture of, let me try to move this away so you can get a better look. I will have a picture and links to these little drawers, but this is what, see, I actually got this one at Home Goods, and I got it on sale, and it's a 4-piece set. You can buy the sets individually, but I just took the 2 longer pieces out of this set, and then these other little 2 I use for other storage things in my craft room, okay? So you could get the 4-piece set if you wanted to, or the individual ones. I will link a link to the 4-piece set as well as the 2 smaller ones, okay? So check out your Home Goods or TJ Maxx. I've been finding those on clearance there occasionally, so you might be able to get a deal there. I've seen them on Amazon, and like I said, I originally found them at Bed Bath & Beyond as well. So all right, guys, well, that's all I have for my organization tip this week. I hope you've enjoyed it and it's inspired you to organize your craft room as well. If you have any tips that you'd love to share, I'd love to hear them. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this tip, or if you have something else that you like to do that you'd like to share with everybody, okay? All right, well, join me again next week for another crafting tip, and until next time, be safe and happy stamping. Bye-bye.